Welcome to another edition of the Just Smell So Good Nation. I'm your host, Roosevelt. Man, goodness gracious, it's cold outside. Y'all like the new shirt? All right, I hope you do. So we're gonna get busy here. I don't know why there's so much cloudiness over here, but we're gonna make sure we can get some things going on. Now, this review is for Carolina Herrera. I mean, awesome fragrance. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit something about it. And this is our new year. Look at it, our new shirt formation for Just Smell So Good, the JSSG. I hope you like that. And I hope you start your new year. This is a new review. So let's go. Let's get with it. All right, Carolina Herrera. In certain sectors, it's a very inexpensive scent. And the funny thing about it, that most people have been talking about it kind of rude to me. It's kind of, they've been talking about it as it doesn't smell good. It smells similar to the other clean scents. And I want you to know, sincerely, from me coming to you, this fragrance will knock the socks off if you wear it at a proper time, at the proper time, at a club, at a restaurant with your woman. This fragrance will knock it out, right? It sells for $60. Why is it so low? I don't get it. But you can, other fragrances that I smell in the note of clean, they wasn't that great. And let's face it. Like I went over Tom Ford Bitter Peach. It wasn't that great. But people buy Tom Ford. But let's give it. From the cool water standpoint, from the Gucci Guilty standpoint, and from English laundry standpoint, this is rating it an 8.5. It's good for the young man. It's good for a guy who's going out, mature, who's going out, who want to smell this fresh and clean. It's good for anyone who want to just smell sexy at that time. And it's an alluring fragrance. I'm telling you, it's an alluring fragrance. It's a breezy fragrance. Now, what the notes in the fragrance is, I get amber, a warm spicy woody, sweet, citric, and herby. And you may not, I get it. I get the fragrance. I'm telling you, I like it. And then also the silage from it, and let me put my glasses back on for that one, so I can tell you the silage. The silage on that is enormous. Intimate, it's about 98. It's fine. It's fresh. And the silage on just the regular enormous, it's enormous. It's a good high 143. Now, as a person who resells fragrances all the time, man, you're gonna get your money worth if you get it. Carolina Herrera, Bad Boy. If you get Bad Boy, you're gonna make some money off it. As a perfumer, you're gonna make your money. I'm sorry for the ones who hate the fragrance and the bad reviews. I don't know what they're smelling, but what I get out of it is clean. I love it. I will wear this fragrance today. I'm telling you, this one of those fragrances I will bounce around in, other than Gucci Guilty. Yeah, I will bounce around in Carolina Herrera. And I didn't know about Carolina Herrera Let's find out when did it come out, actually. Because I get 5 reviews on it on FragranceNet. $76 for a 1.7 ounce, 3.4 ounce. And you could buy this fragrance from us easily for $10 for 1/3 of an ounce just to try it out. You know, you could try it on and go to justsmellsogood.com. But, I mean, this fragrance is good. And don't slip on it. All I'm going to say, don't slip on it. I also have Toy Boy by Moschino, too. I'm going to do a review on Moschino. I think I did it. Yeah, if you click down below, you'll see the review on Moschino. Moschino, it's real tight. I mean, awesome. So, is this fragrance for a man who loved women? Who want to get the latest? Yeah, man. It's a 5-star, man. It's trending at 5-star. And that's on Ulta Beauty. It's 5 stars. It's Ulta Beauty, where you get makeup from, say it's a 5-star, and most women go to Ulta Beauty, right? Bump FragranceNet. I don't know what's going on with over there. But if Ulta Beauty say it's hot, dog, it's hot. Get the fragrance, man. Get that fragrance before it go up. Because fragrance go up and down in fluctuation. You better get it for hit 125. Because I believe it can hit 125. And it's been around for, when did it come out? Let's find out. When did it come out? When do Carolina, she got a lot of different products. Good Girl sell for $70 to $121. And I'm going to do a review on that too. So that's coming up very soon for the ladies. Because most ladies been hitting me up lately, man. They've been hitting me up. And you know Miss Catalina Herrera, she's still alive. She from Venezuela. She's a fashion designer. She's 82 years old. Oh, she just had a birthday. January the 8th, 1939. Cool, man. Hey, longevity, man. Bless her. But when this came out, this came out, when did Carolina Herrera Bad Boy come out? When did it? When was it introduced to the world? Hold on. Because I want y'all to know as much as you can about this fragrance. It was launched in 2019. It's only 2 years old. So it's only 2 years old. It's going to be growing. And since it's 2 years old and it's growing, you better get this fragrance. Because if it's already trending, she got Good Girl selling from $70 to $121. Bad Boy going to hit that level. No matter what they say and how many fragrances come out, Bad Boy going to hit that fragrance. So what I want you to do, smash that button. Smash that like button today. Join the Just Smell So Good Nation, right? Join the Just Smell So Good Nation. Buy your merch, right, from us. And please subscribe, make a comment, and share this information with all your friends and family. And if you want to start a business in the fragrance game, right, it will cost you $325 to know the manufacturer. You get 30 days access to me to help you grow a business, fragrance business, to make tremendous profits in the game, to start your business in the fragrance game. So I'm on to my next review. Welcome to the Just Smell So Good Nation. Next review is going to be about Carolina Herrera. Good Girl. Good Girl. Peace.